SpaceX has achieved many previously unthinkable milestones in space exploration, such as breaking the launch number records and successfully returning a rocket booster to Earth. After launch, however, despite these incredible achievements, the company has yet to accomplish its most ambitious goals, enabling human travel to Mars. In fact, this is very mission for which Musk founded SpaceX to make life multiplanetary, although human landed on the moon. Decades ago, we seem to have lost the knowledge and ambition to continue such feats today, even as several space agencies face challenges with lunar landing. Musk has announced something even more educations a mission to Mars. Before getting any deeper, make sure to subscribe to our channel for future updates about Starship and SpaceX. Our groundbreaking achievement on September 7, 2024, Musk revealed on Twitter X that SpaceX is set to launch its first uncrewed Starship mission to Mars in 2 years. This mission is scheduled to align with the next Earth-Mars transfer window expected to occur around 2026. The primary objective to this uncrewed mission tests to the reliability of the Starship landings on the certain surface, which is a critical step toward achieving human exploration of the red planet. If the initial test success, Musk plans to launch the first crewed mission just 2 years later by 2018. However, achieving this milestone requires not only advanced spacecraft but also numerous planetary launches to support this Mars mission. SpaceX will rely heavily on the multiple variant of the Starship, including a decade tanker variant designed especially for in-orbit refueling. For ever route missions, several tanks launch will be necessary to transfer fuel in space following Starship to reach Mars, return to Earth, and expect number of tanker launches in still under debate, but estimates suggested that each crewed mission may require as many 8 to 14 refueling launches depending on their destination and payload size. Each mission to Mars will last several months, with a round trip likely to make around 18 months given the distance and the alignment of the Earth and Mars. During these orbits, these ambitions will rely on Starship's capability to carry both crew and cargo, with life support system designed for long duration. During the spacecraft will be equipped with private cabins, commercial space, and protections against solar radiation. For crew, we have to understand that SpaceX's upcoming missions to Mars will rely on the Starship rocket, will demonstrating major progress is still undergoing critical tests to become fully operational for multiplanetary missions. Has completed 4 test flights so far, each providing data and moving SpaceX closer to the Mars ambition. The first test flight of Starship occurred in April 2023. This flight marked a major step for SpaceX as it was the first fully integrated flight on the Starship spacecraft. Massive Super Heavy booster. However, the initial attempt is cut short when the two cargo fields separate about 4 minutes of flight leading to the spacecraft. SpaceX learned from this and attempted a second test flight in November 2023. This flight doubled the time the air, lasting approximately 18 minutes, and successfully achieved stage separations. Unfortunately, the spacecraft broke apart before re-entry into Earth's atmosphere, leaving SpaceX to continue refining Starship. During the re-entry process, the third test flight, conducted in March 2024, was the longest yet, lasting only 50 minutes. This flight achieving several new milestones, including the opening of the Starship payload door while in space and conducting a liquid oxygen transfer. However, the vehicle broke apart during the entry at an altitude of around 65 km per hour, indication that further recruitment is needed before Starship can achieve safe return from space. As the 4th test flight SpaceX is targeting to occur soon in May 2024, SpaceX engineers completed the stacking of the Starship spacecraft at top of the Super Heavy booster, making a significant step in preparing for a launch while the expected in uncertain Musk indicated that the flight could occur within the next few months depending on regulatory approval from the SpaceX, which is still reviewing the previous mishap and conducting on the environmental review. SpaceX has made several improvements of the spacecraft, including engaging the vehicles during re-entry, while SpaceX is making history with its groundbreaking Starship rockets. Boeing's Starliner project has been failed with setbacks and complications. Boeing's Starliner mission faced numerous delays and technical issues before it even left the ground on June 5, 2024, NASA astronauts Butch Wilmore and Suni Wilson launched aboard Starliner. What was posted to the brief 8 days mission part, the Boeing crew flight test to validate its transportation system. However, problem begins almost immediately with helium leaks in the system dedications before liftoff. Despite these early warning signs, the mission appropriated after launch. Things will only worse. 5 Starliner thruster field in the capsule approached the International Space Station, and through most of the issues we resolved in mid-flight, the cascade of the failures gave NASA pause about the capsule's reliability. Starliner docked with the International Space Station, but the planned 8-day stay quickly turned into the long March order, and the NASA Boeing engineers spent the summer trying to assess the risks, returning the astronauts to Earth aboard the troubled spacecraft. After extensive testing and debate, NASA made the discussions to repatriate astronauts safely and completing the mission as planned. Despite Boeing instance that Starliner was safe to return, NASA it's too risky to bring Wilmore and Wilson make a broad spacecraft. Starliner has undocked and returned to Earth and September 6, 2024, landing and White Sands Wilmore Range in the New Mexico. These discussions left the 2 astronauts stranded on the International Space Station, where they will remain uncertain. Early 2025, will SpaceX new Crew Dragon capsule is scheduled to bring them back to Earth. The return mission will mark a 10th crewed flight for SpaceX and recording the grown gap between the two companies. Boeing's inability to resolve the issues with Starliner has left its astronauts stuck in space for longer than intended. Now, as part of the International Space Station, helping the various tanks Wilmore wait for the safe ride. How this is more first time Boeing Starliner has run into trouble in 2019. The uncrewed test flight was marred by the software problems. It forms reaching the ISS, forcing Boeing to Dorado in mission in 2022. The second attempt also uncovered new issues, and the enormous repair bill over $1 billion. Despite the efforts, Boeing is still struggling to prove Starliner reliability, a crewed transport vehicle, leaving NASA reliant in the space. In contrast, SpaceX rapidly ramped up the operational capabilities. The company has been flying its Crew Dragon capsule since 2020, regular flying astronauts to and from the International Space Station without significant issues. If you have made in this fair, we got a special surprise just for you. Are offering a highly realistic Starship module, realistic space Starship for loyal viewers and the tanks such as the Rollator videos and themes. You part a loyal crew. Wait ahead over grab and your own Starship model. Now, thanks for watching our video. We appreciate our time and support, and we hope to see you in the next